Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will be discussing the free hack method that we can use on our iOS device to make DJI MINI2 fly more than 15 meters. So it's going to be totally free and it will not be dependent on our internet connection. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video guys. So guys, here we are into the DJIFLY app. So once you open the DJIFLY app, in the safety settings in max altitude, you can see that max altitude has been set to 15 meters and it is not changeable. So now I will be providing you the step how we can set this 15 meters to 500 meters. So for that you have to open your app store and search for the Rainbow application. So you will find a Rainbow application. I will be adding the link of this application in the description, so you can download this on your iOS device. And once you have downloaded and installed this Rainbow application, you will see the fly drone button. You have to click on that and you should skip the login. It will ask you to log in. So guys, on the top left you can see that the flight mode is set to WP. You have to set it to FPV. Then open the map, and here after opening the map you can see the settings icon. You have to click on the settings, and here we are using the free version of Rainbow app. So free version of Rainbow app only has 3 free test flights. To have the unlimited flights we have to purchase this Rainbow application, but in this video we will not be purchasing or paying any amount to the Rainbow application, but we will be able to fly our drone unlimited times over the 15 meters. In the settings in aircraft session you can see that max height is 15 meters. So before setting it to 500 meters, I would like to show you that my phone is not connected to internet or Wi-Fi. So that means you guys does not need internet to do this process. So now we will set our max height from 15 meters to 500 meters. So once you set it, you need to confirm the pop-up window. Then once the confirmation is done, here you should not take off your drone with the Rainbow application. You make sure that you're not using the Rainbow application to take off your drone. Just you have to set the aircraft height from 15 to 500 meters. Then open back your DJIFLY app, and here in the max altitude you can see that it is set to 500 meters. So from 15 meters it moved to 500 meters. Like Android, you need not unplug or plug the cable of your phone. Just you have to open your DJIFLY app. It will auto connect, and you can see that max altitude is set to 500 meters. So in the height, when we take off, you can see that our height was able to exceed more than 15 meters. That means we are able to hack the 15 meters limit with the help of Rainbow application. So with this method guys, you can fly your drone any number of times more than 15 meters using Rainbow application. You does not need any internet connection or anything. Just you need to open your Rainbow application and just set the 15 meters to 500 meters and open your DJIFLY app and fly it over 15 meters. So guys, to do this hack process, you does not need any particular aircraft firmware. With any aircraft firmware version, you can do this hack process. So guys, whenever you close your DJIFLY app or reopen it, that time the max altitude will be set back to 15 meters. So it will not be permanently set to 500 meters. Whenever you close and reopen your DJIFLY app, it will set back to 15 meters. So again, that time you have to open your Rainbow application, and you can go to the settings, and in the settings you can go to the aircraft, and in the aircraft max height you need to set it to 500 meters. So if you do that, you will be able to fly your drone more than 15 meters using DJIFLY app. And in DJIFLY app you will also be able to use the quick shots. So guys, these were the steps that we need to follow on our iPhone to bypass our 15 meters limit on DJI MINI2. Just you have to make sure is you should not take off your drone through the Rainbow app. And the second point is you should not log in the Rainbow app. You have to, whenever it pops up for the login, you have to skip it. That is the main thing. And you have to always take off your drone with the DJIFLY app itself. So guys, if you are using the Android phone and you want to follow the same steps to bypass the 15 meters on your Android phone, then I have made a dedicated video on that. The steps are a little bit different, so you should check out that, and it is a detailed video more than this, so you should check that, and you can follow the same steps on your Android phone to bypass your 15 meters using the Rainbow application. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.